Now I am going to make one amplifier 2:2. Two output for subwoofer and another two output surround. Stereo subwoofer output and stereo surround output. This circuit for surround speaker. This circuit for surround speaker. This based on circuit with microphone. This low pass filter for subwoofer output. This low pass filter for subwoofer output. This low pass filter is mono, but I am going to make two channel output. This circuit I am going to use for subwoofer output. This circuit is a stereo amplifier circuit board. The subwoofer will output stereo, two channel, not stereo, two channel. This is for surround output. This is STK. I am going to use this STK amplifier circuit board for the surround speaker. This transformer for the surround amplifier. I am going to use this transformer for the surround amplifier, and this transformer for the subwoofer amplifier. I am going to use this transformer for the subwoofer amplifier. We can see every circuit. This output, this tag for all output. We can see the amplifier cabinet P9001